You need to see if the product is special or unique. Are you seeing something that doesn't exist anywhere else? That's the point. This is nothing special. It's just good. You may think there isn't one, but there is. So when I first established the company, I made my motto, I don't do anything unique at the beginning. If you look at the book, there's some criteria for product selection in network marketing. It is just to see if the product is special or unique. Are you seeing something that doesn't exist anywhere else? That's the point. I thought that was right, so I believed it was true. Later, I found out why people said that. It was simple. In order to get a higher price, we deal with unique items that we are not able to compare prices with other products. I knew that theory was wrong. So when I first established the company, I made my motto, I don't do anything unique at the beginning. Each and every product of Atomy is made with this not special concept. Rather than buying each product from another company, the quality is the best. Price is okay. That's how it's supposed to be. So what we call this is absolute quality. Absolute quality. No one can match this ideal in this field. When choosing a product, there is no better toothbrush than Atomy. This is how we felt when we adopted an item. In order to choose a toothbrush, I went to a department store or supermarket. I bought a pack. I kept brushing my teeth all day. Oh my gosh, my gums swell after I kept brushing. Then I found a way. Rather than keep brushing with a toothbrush, I'm rubbing the toothbrush on the back of my hand. If you just rub this toothbrush on the back of your hand and enlarge the tip of the toothbrush, you will see the tip is cut like this. That's why rubbing hurts. By the way, the Atomy toothbrush has the tip like this. So the Atomy toothbrush is less irritating to the gums. Like an Atomy toothbrush, I really want to use it for the rest of my life. We select the products of such perfect, absolute quality first. That said, we're selling this product at a price that no one else can sell at this price in the market. That is why we are such a company that sells products of absolute quality at absolute prices. This toothbrush isn't special. This is just good. In this world, you may think there isn't one, but there is. But found a good one out of it, making it cheap and supplying it. This is Atomy strategy. Look at these things here. Just ordinary cosmetics. The skin lotion, milk lotion, you all know. Nourishing cream, eye cream, essence. Unique. Every product has it all. But of course, starting with the fermentation technique, it's made with advanced technology. There's nothing to suggest that this process does not exist in the world. There's one and also a good one too, but the price is only 1/5 or 1/10 of a normal one. We're not selling anything unique. That's why more than any other distribution line, you have to prove that Atomy is cheaper and it's good. That's how we exist. If we sell the same toothbrush and we sell it cheaper than the mart, it is worth more than a distribution line.